The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Yo, people look what I go and you see them catch popcorn. We're going to fuck. I hope that video good. Yo, the fuck, this is so fucking serious. The fuck, dog.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, you know. And I have another video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know. And that other video that I'm going to show you is going to show off a female that goes by the name of Mackerel. And, you know, it is said that she disrespect Candy Wow. We're going to talk about that a little bit from this, you see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, it is out on social media, and according to what has been said about this video on social media, and according to some of the things that has been said in the video as well, is that the artist, the Jamaican artist that is known as Popcaan, police had found gun in Popcaan's possession. You get me? That is what has been said on social media and in the video. It might not be word for word as to how it has been said out there, but I'm just telling you based on how I understand it. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, with that kind of information said about this video, viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm asking the question, is it true or is it false? You see what I'm saying to you? Because viewers and subscribers, you know, a lot of times, you know, some videos put out on social media looking so convincing, and you know, when you really do your research and check the background of these videos, it turns out to be not true. And believe me, I did my research about this video, you know, and you know, up until this moment that I'm doing this video right about now, I'm still asking the question and wondering if what has been said about this video on social media and what has been said in the video as well, is it true or is it not true? You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I'm still asking that question, alright? Now, when I heard that police find Popcaan with gun, I start to ask the question if it is a licensed firearm or not. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, but I'll try to keep you up to date and posted about this whole issue if possible. You know what I mean? And you can also check the comment section as well, alright? Now, with that, we're going to move on to another video that I'm talking about, and this video is another video that is out on social media that I'm asking the question, is it true or is it false? You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Is it true what has been said about this video on social media or is it false? Isn't it? Now, this video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, it's a short video. And according to what has been said about this short video on social media, is that the female that is known as Mackerel disrespected the female that is known as Candy. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm really and truly asking the question, is it true or is it not true as well? You see what I'm saying to you? Because to my point of view, the video is just short and you know, other things as well. And I'm going to explain to you after I show you this video. But first, take a look at the video and I'm going to, you know, explain a little thing. Alright? Observe. Now, viewers and subscribers, two quick things I'm going to point out. You see me? First things first. You see me? You have sweetie named Candy, and there's more than one person's name Candy out there. You see me? Yeah, and me hear the word or the name Candy mentioned in the video. You see what I'm saying to you? But however, viewers and subscribers, you know, who to tell if it is not another person Mackerel is talking about, or who to tell if it is not a sweetie? You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah. So, viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm just asking the question, you know, is it true or false as to what has been said about this video on social media? And with that, I'm just going to leave it with you right there with that what I just said. Alright, so let me know what you think about this video as well, and let me know what you think about the other video as well, you know. Let me know what you think about both of these videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know. Please bear in mind that what I just told you about these 2 pieces of videos is based on what has been said in these 2 pieces of videos and on social media as well, and it might not be word for word as to how these informations have been put out there or said. Alright, yeah. And this is where we leave it. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?